Okay, I think we are recording. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. And this video is awesome because this is the Click Ranger version 0.02 update. Whoa, where's the party poppers? Yeah, so I've been working on this for like a week or two now, and I finally felt comfortable enough with the progression of my code and everything to actually upgrade this to a V0.02. So the first video I showed like a week ago was essentially pretty basic. This menu is still pretty bad. None of the buttons work except for my start button, which is the most important button if you ask me. But my active game menu has changed a little bit, meaning we can draw spells, which is awesome. And whenever the player draws spells, it actually deals damage to the player. And if you look over here in the idle, I've got a counter going on to actually register the amount of cards being drawn to handle events separately, and you'll see what that entitles to in a second. But when they click on the fireball, or the spell drawn, deals damage to the enemy, which in this case is our lovely dovely Earth Slime from my very first game, Slime Dodger, or Slime Ranger. Also, the player has this little sword button they can wail on, and that's just like a physical damage. It deals less damage, but it also deals damage to the player at another reduced rate. But also see how whenever I deal damage with this right here, it does not increase my card or my drawn cards counter. So draw another spell, another fireball, and boom, we now have 2 cards drawn or used, I guess technically. And this is important because around 6... Oh, also, another cool little feature, every time the player defeats an enemy slime, it spawns a new one and restores a little bit of health to the player. And in the next couple of coding sessions, I'm going to be adding text like right here and right here, player level, Earth Slime level, or just enemy level, or because I plan on having multiple images or multiple enemies, and I'm thinking once the slime is like level 5, or if slime level equals 5, you know, there's going to be a new enemy. It's going to be like a little stone golem type thing. Not incredibly complicated, but my counter over here is around 5. We draw another spell. Boom, we're now around 6, which is important because when we draw now, what? We have a health drop. What does that do? 20 to health? It restores health. Oh, I noticed that actually damaged our guy a little bit. So there is a little bit of coding that needs to be gone into, and I'm going to keep reworking the menu a little bit more, making it all flesh out a little bit better. But if we just wail on them, what happens if we die? Because everyone knows death is important. Well, what happens? Boop. It just goes back to the menu. But I'm thinking I'm going to have a little tombstone pop up and then like a high score thing pop up. But my actual goals, if any, is trying to figure out how to create a better list or handling system for all of my cards, and I tried doing that a little bit, I guess. Where'd it go? There's a lot going on here. Oh wait, that's me loading everything. Oh yeah, right here, I've just commented it out, but I was trying to create a library, or a list. Spell libraries equal to, and then these are my recs, except for Fireball. Fireball's not in there. I was just messing around. But I was just having a lot of trouble trying to, like, do that trying to blit a random image from a list. If anyone knows what's going on with that, that would be great. Because what I'm having to do here instead is actually kind of annoying. I'm going to eventually have to do some kind of mathematical function, like if cards divisible by a certain number, print this card, if this, that, because this system right here is super, super annoying because I'm going to have I would like multiple cards, and the more cards that I input, it's just, I'm creating a very quickly overburdened system this way, but I'm not that good. But this is what I have right now, and that's important. And what do we have? Click Rangers, or Click Ranger version 0.02 combat update. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. And if you like this video, check out my other programming videos. If you like video games, I have a whole lot of video game videos. If you're into vlogging, I'm into vlogging. Whatever you're into, I'm probably into because I have a lot of time on my hands. But anyways, thank you for watching. Stick around, we'll see what we can't come up with, and remember to beat the slimes up. Die slime. I can't believe I did this. This is so cool. The fact that, whoa, oh, haha, and he is, he's dead. Alright, thank you for watching. Boop.